What are your impressions about the event so far?
The impression is 100% positive. Not only did I not expect a turnout like this much people, but it's like the top people that we want, and the feedback from everyone that I have spoken to has been absolutely amazing. So that's very good.
So, what will be your greatest takeaway from this event?
I think the greatest takeaway is that as an industry we are moving in a direction where there's more flexibility and more, how can you say, there's much more space for companies like AdColony and someone that is not YouTube and Google in all the markets, and we're definitely seeing a trend that video on mobile is booming like crazy, and this event more or less just confirms this to me. And the clients and agencies from around the world, they seem interested. I mean, legit interested in what's being said on stage, where some conferences you would often experience that people are almost sleeping in the back because it's something they already know. But we are bringing a lot of interesting speakers to the table, and I really love the panels because it's more like a discussion that everyone can relate to. So to sum that up, the event has been really, really good so far, and I'm taking a lot of positive things away from here.
So, last question.
Yeah.
What do you think we'll talk about next year in Intelligence Summit?
Next year we'll probably talk a little bit more about programmatic video in mobile. It's already starting to become big, but I think it's going to be one of the major things. And also I think that we're probably going to talk more about some of the interesting new creative formats, like consistently developing formats that are more engaging. Because there's definitely a demand for creative solutions that are not just standard. So I think that's probably going to be an even bigger thing next year on the event.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.